One
Yeah,
other thing I wanted to mention, if I can, is the S&P. If you want to switch gears to that,
for sure, for sure.
I was going to say that our forecasts since June to our group and, of course, publicly has been that July would have a very powerful advance to at least 4,030. I think we talked about this on your program last time. And if they got to 4,030, then possibly 4110. They did 4110, and they closed the month above that. So right now, big picture for us is we think the market is still, in spite of today's decline, likely going to attempt the 43.67 level.
Okay.
If they don't make it to that, that's fine, but they're going to make a test or an attempt at 43.67. We expect the market to top at the latest in September. So keep that in mind. And we do believe that the S&P, although it may sound surprising, is going to be back down at 37.30 in 2023 and likely in the first quarter of 2023. So we do consider the current advance in the S&P a bounce in an existing downtrend. If we get, Ben, any monthly close above 33.67, or excuse me, 43.67, the number that I just mentioned, 43.67 or 43.70, if we get a monthly close above that level, that will get us to question our larger forecast for the decline back to 37.30 in the first quarter of next year. So between today and the next quarter or the first quarter of next year, there's a lot of action that we could say that we're expecting in the S&P, a continuation rally and so on. And one other thing I just want to mention about on the short term for you for the S&P, continued daily closes, worst case, above 42.34. We didn't touch that yet today. We've been down to 41. But if we close above 42.34 over the next couple of days, we expect the S&P to be trading back up at 42.72, basically into Tuesday, August 23rd. So we think there's a nice trade here if we close above 42.34 and best case 42.41. Either of those numbers, if we close above it, we think there's a trade up to 42.72 into Tuesday, August 23rd.